Okay, so in the iMovie app, to make an iMovie trailer, all you have to do is start by pressing the plus, and instead of choosing movie, which is the typical ad editor look, if you choose trailer, it'll first bring you here where you can choose a template for whatever works for you. It also shows you how long the video will be down in that bottom right corner. So like this one's 58 seconds. So once you've chosen, you can also preview it by pressing play. And then you press create, which brings you to this storyboard. And I like this because the students can easily fill in all of the gray squares here. And then to edit the blue lines, all you have to do is go in and change what you want it to be. So you could, let's say you wanted to end up doing a video about the states of matter. You could do like solids, and then have the students add a picture of solids here, and then liquids, and then you could add gases, and so on and so forth all the way through the rest of the video. You could use this to show other reactions. And what I love about this is when students need to add something into the square, all they have to do is touch the gray square, and then they can add videos they've already created, photos from their photo library. So these are some that I have. We'll pretend French fries are a solid. Or they can take a photo or a video using the camera feature right in the same space. And then if they need to delete, all they do is choose, delete it, and then they can add something different. And then for you, if you are creating a template for them, so all they have to do is add the media into the gray squares, you'll change all these blue lines to whatever you want them to be. And then once you're done and you press done, you're going to do the upload button, and then up here at the top it says options. If you choose project, this will send the iMovie file to your students so that they can edit it on their own, and then they don't have to go through and change all of the titles. You can if you want to. I've done that in the past. It's worked okay, but this is a great way to do a quick video activity and just have them fill in those blanks.